What is going on, everybody? T-Bone coming back at you again with another Yu-Gi-Oh opening. And we have today two displays of Maximum Gold El Dorado. That's right, we have another double unboxing video, and I'm very excited to open this. I did open a few mini boxes and pulled some cool stuff, so hoping we can get some more awesome stuff out of these ones. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, all that good YouTube stuff. Help build this channel grow so I can continue bringing you amazing videos like this. So yeah, let's just kind of get right into it here. And because we have a lot of packs to open. So this is a display which has 5 mini boxes in each. And each mini box has, ooh, a nice cardboard cut. Always fun, right? Yeah, every display has 5 boxes, and every box has 4 packs with 7 cards apiece. These are actually packaged upside down. Okay, interesting. So let's just get into the boxes here. And one thing that I do like that Konami didn't do on this one that they did with the last gold is they don't have that little sticker right here. So that's easier to get to the packs. I kind of like that. Although, to be fair, it's a lot easier probably for someone to steal them. Anyway, let's see what we can get out of our first mini box. So keep in mind, these are supposed to be at MSRP $30. So let's see if we can plus from that. And there is a lot of things going on with this set too. I'm not sure if anyone's seen the misprints or quality control, but hopefully we can get us some good stuff. Urgent Schedule is actually pretty good reprint. And we start off with a Gamma. Very nice. And we have Magical Dimension. Unfortunately, not too nice to see. This is going to be a bulk gold, even though it does look nice. Striker Dragon and number 1. So far the Gamma is not bad. Definitely give it that. Number 4. Ultimaya Zulkin. Very weird seeing it as a rare. Alright, we got Fossil Dyna Pachycephalo. That's the best you're getting out of me with that. And oh, it looks like we just spoiled it, and I'm actually very happy about that. We got Book of Moon as our next gold. And for anyone who might not know, this gold is actually raised, so it does have a little bit of texture to it. And I'm one of those people that like gold rares. Hot Red Dragon Archfiend Bane. So yeah, I'm one of those people that enjoy gold rares. I know it's really a thing that either you like it or you hate it. And I've never disliked any of the golds. There was one gold that I was like, it's not as vibrant, so it looked a little tacky, but I actually like the golds. But I don't like seeing reprints or duplicates of bulk premium golds. So we had another Fossil Dyna. Lambda, which is a very good reprint. Another Adelantano. And Torrential Tribute. We also got a Zeta. I'm actually not thrilled about Tribute in here. This is going to be another bulk. I feel they could have done so much more with this. Like, nothing in the picture is standing out. They could have done something in that picture. All right, come on. We need something really good out of this mini box, because this mini box has been pretty garbo. We got Logia. And, okay, we got something. We got Pot of Extravagance. Definitely not bad. Man, it's so shiny on camera. All right, so, I mean, we didn't really make up box value back out of that one, but still very cool. We got Extravagance and Gamma to help with that one. And hopefully, if you guys did order this set, hopefully you got it beforehand, So that way you're not spending too much. Thankfully, I actually did find a good deal on it. So it wasn't like cheap, but it was definitely cheaper than anywhere else. Also, let me know down below, by the way, what do you guys think of the set overall? Did you open any? How much of it did you open? What'd you guys pull? Did you guys get any good misprints? Because, man, that Anaconda, that Access Code Talker, that Ghost Mourner, they all look so cool. Like, the quality control is horrendous, but they just look so cool. I would love to pull one of these, especially on camera. We got Ossa. Numeron Calling. Very weird seeing it as a rare. And we got Sky Striker Ace Rose. And Elixir of Black Awakening. Very minimal with the gold on it, but I kind of like it. Again, the whole black on gold thing looks very nice. And Silent Boots. X-Code Talker, its first reprint. Okay, I did not expect that. Wow, we got Alt Art Masquerena. That is beautiful. I like that. And I actually did pull one of these from one of the boxes I opened myself. So now I got two of them. And it is a very beautiful card. And we got Fire Formation Tenki. This was already a gold at some point, but I actually almost kind of like this because the gold is next to like the flames. It almost gives like the fire more dimension. I don't know. I kind of like it. Romulus as a rare. That's very bizarre. And I forgot Upstart was in this set. So even more easy access to Upstarts. Got Ancient Cloak. There it is. Finally, we got Invocation, and I finally have a playset of this card. Because I'm sorry, I was not dropping $50 a copy on this card. Very happy about this, and it actually does look pretty nice. I wish the circle that it was coming out of had that gold, but you take your wins where you can get them. And that's also the first non-short print version of Invocation. So it's a lot easier and cheaper to normal summon Alistair now. And Unicorn original art. Wish it was the alt art because I actually did pull the OG art of this already, but it still looks very nice. And Shooting Code. So actually, so far, this box, the value isn't... I mean, the Masquerena made up for it a bit, but there's a lot of cool gold rares in this. And I say that, and we got another bulk premium gold of Starlight Road. Yeah, that's not one you want to hope to see. Urgent Schedule, if it'll focus. And Soul Eating Overraptor. That actually looks very cool. I do. I very much like that. All right. Still, so far, we're not hitting anything too wild just yet. I mean, we got the Extravagance. We got a Masquerena. But we need an Access. We need Anacondas. Or I should say, I need another Anaconda because I actually did pull one. And I know we might be reaching at straws here with the access code because it is half printed. And let's see, we got another Zolkin. Rainbow Neos. We got the Juggernaut Lieben here. Focus. There we go. We got Scrap Fridge. Okay, what are two golds? All right, we got number C1000 Numeronius. That's right, we finally got some of the new numbers. One step closer to a full number completion. And wow, look at that. We literally, right to back, we got number IC1000, Numeronius Numeronia. That's actually very interesting to see back to back. And then we end with number 1. So yeah, I'm actually happy we finally got those. Those were imported over from the number set completion, or the number thing from Japan. All right, we got Mystic Mine. I have to admit, it kind of does look nice a bit. They should have made those little, like, star twinkles gold, but yeah, we'll probably hit that on the next list. Oh, we got Zafraxi. I forgot this was in here. And nice, we got Exodia the Forbidden One. Okay, that actually looks kind of cool. You know, they actually didn't do much raising on it. I thought they would have done more. Only really the upper part of his body. None of this is raised. They had an opportunity and they missed it there. All right, so I mean that was cool pull, but we need the money ones here. We got Rocket Tracer. I actually like that. That looks very cool. Not what I'm hoping to see, but I'll take it. And another Magical Dimension. Unfortunate. All right, come on. We got it. I hope Exodia wasn't like the money card of that box. Got to give us something really good here. And we got Conquistador. It's very nice. Oh, okay. What do we got? It's not a Link. We got Tempest Dragon, Ruler of Storms. So unfortunately, it looks like Exodia was really the main hit of that box, which is a little unfortunate. Yeah, so far we're not doing too hot right now as far as this display. So I do hate to say that. But we still have 2 more to make this right. I hope we can get an... Oh, man. I'm hoping we can get an Anaconda access code pack. I actually saw... I forgot whose unboxing it was. They actually got an Anaconda in their first pack. And then the pack right after, they got an Anaconda and access code. So it can happen. Doodle-doodle-doo. Very cool. You know, you ask for it and you receive. We actually got an Anaconda. Very nice. We got another one now. Because I did, like I mentioned before, I did pull one, so now we have a second. It's very cool. Come on, access code, let's go. Nope, it is unfortunately a Logia, which does look very cool, though. Again, I like the Xyz with this gold rare because the black on gold looks very nice. But we already got... Okay, we're already doing very good on this one mini box. But we need some more. We got Omega, Hida, Scrap Chimera. There we go. We got original art Masquerena now. Very nice. I'm actually not sure which art I like better. You guys let me know down below. Which art do you like better, the original or the new one? And we also got a Sign It Mining, which is not a bad rare to get. So actually, I think we did pretty good on this mini box so far, but come on, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's get something even crazier. Let's go. Cursed Eldland, that actually looks very nice. And Danger Yeti. I'm not calling this thing Bigfoot, because this is 100% supposed to be a new Danger. Like, that is supposed to be a Yeti. Not, I mean, yes, I know the Yeti is a Arctic Bigfoot, but... This definitely was supposed to be Danger Yeti. Kagemusha Knight. Ah, that's just barely off. It's barely in misprint category. It's not, which is unfortunate. And Ultimate Falcon. Although, don't get me wrong, I do like that artwork for Bigfoot. It looks very cool. But that should have been a new danger entirely. All right, last one. Starlight Road, not what I'm hoping to see. Meloseek. And we got Dolka as our next one up. That's pretty far down, but it's still within the box. And, oh, so is that one. So we're not quite misprints there yet. But here is our last little mini box. What are we going to get? Come on, we need that access code talker. Let's go. I mean, I'm happy we got the Anaconda and 2 Mascarenas. And these packs were in here horribly. I just hope those cards are okay. Yeah, that did not look good. Come on, last mini box for this display. What are we going to get? Got White Destiny, Microcoder. All right, we got Numeron Chaos Ritual. Definitely very cool to see. It's one way to get out the IC-1000. We got a Trap Trick and another Alt-Art Bigfoot. Oh, we got a Ptolemy 7. Meow Meow Mew is a rare. Juggernaut Lieb. And we got Sky Striker Ace Rose. I think we got one of these before. And we got another Mascarena OG art. I'm not really going to complain, but those could have been access code talkers we could have gotten like 2 of. You know how insane that would have been to get like 2 or 3 access code talkers per display? Because apparently there is some clumping issues again. And, ooh, Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon OG art. Very cool. And we got OG art, Ghost Mourner, and Moonlit Chill. I'm actually not too crazy about it in this gold rarity. I mean, I get they had to do it to match, but I actually like it as a secret better. And some of them, it's not too bad either. All copies of some of them were kind of going up again. But here's our last pack for this display. What are we going to get? All right, so they're both... You know what? Let's do it like this. Let's keep some suspense going. There's 1, and there's 2. We got a White Destiny. Hey, we got the new Alt-Art Firewall. All right, what do we got? My heart stopped because I saw Link, but we got Weather Painter Rainbow. So now I have a playset of this. And Evil Zorologia. So unfortunately, no access code talker, but we did get some pretty cool things. And that's pretty much going to do it for this part 1 of our double display opening. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, again, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all that good YouTube stuff. Let me know what you guys think of the set, how you guys did, and be sure to check out part 2. So until the next video comes out, I will see you guys later.